welcome to my channel. And the sun is too much, so yeah, firstly I have been very lazy for a few days, no excuses added to that. Yeah, so I didn't shoot much, so this video is very last minute, so hope you like it. So in today's video I'll be sharing with you guys few affordable lipsticks. I tried to keep it affordable and added a few varieties. So if I have missed out something, do let me know, and do let me know if you want a part 2 of it, because in this video I have mostly added nudes and pink and not a huge range of colors. It's mostly nudes and pink. So hope you enjoy this video. So let's get started. So firstly I'll remove this whatever is present. So I am using this Garnier Miracle Water. It's a very good one and it is reasonable again, so you can go for this.
You don't need a lot, you just need 2 drops. And just to match it, I'll use some powder. To make it even, I'll just use this.
The first one I have here is Lakme 925 Weightless Mousse. It is a very good lipstick. It is extremely light and it does both the job of, you know, blush and lipstick. I sometimes also use it on my eyelids. It gives you a very natural kind of a look. So if you want, you can give it a try. It is a very light lipstick. It is not super matte, and this one is for rupees 625, but there is an offer going on, so it will cost you around 399.
So I will remove this one now.
So the second one we have here is Color Bar Kiss Proof lipstick. It is in the shade Desert Rose.
It literally runs on your lips. As you can see, it is matte, but this is not extremely matte. It is a like good quality matte. So yeah. Has a little sweet fragrance to it, and I really like it because you don't feel like loaded on your lips. It is super light. This lipstick initially is glossy, a bit oily when you apply it, but after a few seconds it will become matte and good matte.
So the color is very gorgeous and this will cost you around 476, and if you want you can give it a try. So if we are talking about affordability, how can we miss L18? So yeah, this is a beautiful lipstick. It is in the shade Berry Bestie. So this lipstick is really good, and especially if you are a beginner and you are starting to use lipstick, like you are in the initial stage, so I think you can go for L18. Even my first purchase, my first lipstick purchase was L18, I guess. So yeah, if you're a beginner you can go for it, and even for others obviously. L18 is really nice and the price is amazing. So this cost around 100 rupees. So this is Nykaa So Matte Mini Lipstick. It is a beautiful red color.
This is the Nykaa mini one, so those who like red can give it a try.
So this is in the shade 26M Scarlet, and it would cost you around 179 rupees. It is from L'Oreal Paris and it is their Rouge Signature liquid lipstick. It is a gorgeous color and I love the wand.
One of my favorite lipstick. It is so light. So this one is one of my favorite, and this is extremely light. It is a matte one. As you can see, it is matte, but it is extremely light. You don't even feel if a lipstick is there on your lips. So it is a wonderful product. So yeah, it is is watery and it will slowly become matte.
So it is in the shade I choose and it will cost you around 650. So this one is from Nykaa. It is their high shine gloss lips gloss, and those who are bored of matte lipsticks or those who are not into matte lipsticks, you can check this one out.
In glossy lipstick, this is one of my favorite, and as you can see, it is super glossy and it has a light pink tone. You can find this in various shades. So if you're finding a glossy lipstick, you can go for this one. It is really nice and it will stay for a long period of time.
So this is in the shade Main Girl and it will cost you around 383. So this one right here is from Miss Claire. It is their soft matte lip cream. It is a beautiful everyday kind of a color.
This is a lipstick which you have to reapply it, but I don't think reapplying a lipstick is a problem because you can just carry it on your purse and then put it on your lips. What's the big deal? It's not a big deal. So if you like the product and if you're thinking about the longevity, so I don't think that's a problem. You can just simply carry it around with you, you can apply it. Yeah.
It is a very soft matte lipstick and it is in the shade number 21 and it will cost you 292. Like deep colors or those who are into deep colors, you can try this one out. It is a beautiful maroon kind of a color from Swiss Beauty.
I hardly use this this color, but I do have Matte Me's different shade. But this lipstick, it is very heavy and I am literally scared of putting this lipstick on. You can see it is so dark and it is gonna stay for a long time. You don't have to reapply it, but you have to be very careful while applying it because it is a very dark lipstick color and it is super matte. This product is super matte. Many times while putting this one, I have just did that thing.
So before applying such kind of a lipstick, they are super matte and they will dry up your lips too much. So I want to suggest you guys to please put some good quality balm on your lips before applying such lipstick.
It is a beautiful shade. It is gorgeous. That's why I wanted to show you. I also have different Matte Me's color, but they are common like nudes and pink, so I didn't show you. But this one is a very good color, but you use it very less. I just used it once or twice. This might be the third time. So yeah.
So it is in the shade Grape Wine, but I'm not sure if it is available anymore, but you can check it out. And I want to give an alternative, so you can try out their Deep Maroon. They are quite close.
It's a huge task to remove this one because it will just not go easily.
So this one right here is a beautiful pink color. It is a bright kind of a pink color, and those who love pink, go for this one. And this one is from Nykaa, Pout Perfect Kiss and Tell Pink 02.
Again, this is a product which you don't have to reapply it for a little time. You don't have to reapply it. It is nice and it will stay for a long time. Not long time, but it will stay for a longer time. And it is not matte. It is a bit greasy and glossy, so it is nice.
This beautiful crayon will cost you around 299.
So that's it for today. Hope you all liked it, and this was a video very last moment. So if you want another part of this including more colors and all, so do let me know in the comment section below. You can also follow me in Instagram. I will leave somewhere here. And yeah, hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe and hit the bell icon, and do like this video if you like it. So bye bye.